Immigrant rights advocates in Chicago are going after a multi-million-dollar company for its work with the federal government. This morning, they filed a lawsuit against one of the world's largest data companies. As the U.S. continues to debate the future of immigration and the border crossings that have made headlines, there's a new fight brewing in court. This is a lawsuit filed in Cook County Circuit Court alleging that one of the largest data companies in the world may be violating Illinois law.
This groundbreaking lawsuit alleges that LexisNexis has been collecting and sharing information about Illinois residents without our consent.
He's talking about LexisNexis Risk Solutions. It's been around for decades, but recently announced its work with the federal government. On its website, the company states that in March of 2021, it was awarded a contract to be an investigative tool for the federal government. The statement goes on to say, "We entered into this contract understanding that the mission of Immigration and Customs Enforcement under the new administration had changed to focus immigration enforcement resources on people with serious criminal backgrounds." But none of that is sitting well with immigrant rights activists.
The sheer amount of information collected about each of us is alarming to the plaintiffs in this lawsuit. It provides an encyclopedic view of their existence, of their personal lives.
We've been hearing for years from community members that there's huge concerns about how private and personal data gets into the hands of immigration enforcement. And this is how, right? LexisNexis has a $22.1 million contract with ICE to provide public, private, commercial, personal information.
With several organizations signing on to the lawsuit, organizers hope it has the teeth needed to force the company to stop operating in Illinois. Chicago is what's known as a sanctuary city, which keeps local law enforcement from cooperating with federal immigration officials. The lawsuit alleges that the database is one way ICE can go around the restrictions, not needing local law enforcement to find who they're looking for.
This needs to end. It's time that we interrupt this monster of a digital apparatus that leads to detentions, to deportations.
Okay, so LexisNexis would not comment on pending litigation. There is another similar lawsuit in California against a different company, Thomson Reuters. That one was filed in 2020. That outcome is still pending.